have Mr. Ashutosh Gupta with us. Mr. Gupta is the newly appointed chairman of Farmexcel. Ashutosh, tell us about your impressions of IFEX and what is new about IFEX this year.
This year, I think I met a lot of exhibitors. We have been surveying the response. Although being an organizer, we will always like what we have done, but listening from the horse's mouth has always been a better experience. This year, everybody's response is that it has been more professionally organized than the first event, because it was the first event last year, although it was a huge success. But this year, I'm listening that it is a greater success than last year. This year, we have invited more regulators from around 21 countries. There are 42 regulators with us, and international media is covering the event. Furthermore, we have more exhibitors, more buyers this year, and it has been more focused on business, as it has been more carefully screened. We have more carefully screened the buyers, and the response is that buyers are more serious, and they are doing good business, and we expect to do more than 2,000 crores business this year.
Tell us more about the countries from where these buyers are from and what are the emerging markets where Farmexcel will focus in the coming years.
There are 115 countries which are represented here, from Africa, South America, Central America, Southeast Asia, Europe, US. And I have always been saying that Indian pharma speaks all the languages in the world, and that can be seen over here. Next year, definitely we'll try that we reach a figure of 150, and we wish to invite all the buyers from all over the country, so because this is the best showcase of Indian pharma, and this is the face which we project to the world, the strengths, the capabilities, the innovation. IFEX is the best place where we can demonstrate to the world what India is doing.
Looking at the success of IFEX 2014, are there any plans to make this event international?
Definitely, this year, later this year, we are going to do the first international version of IFEX, IFEX Africa. Right now, there is no Pan-African event for pharmaceuticals. Not even CPHI is there in Africa. This year, IFEX will do a Pan-African event, which will be the biggest ever in Africa. Indian exhibitors will go there, exhibit their products, and we expect to invite more than 700 to 800 buyers from all over Africa.
Thank you, sir. We have Mr. Bhavin Mehta with us. Bhavin is the chairman of IFEX 2014 organizing committee and has spent over 12 months in making this event a mega event. Bhavin, tell us about your impressions of the event and what are the new plans to make it much bigger and grander.
First of all, let me thank all our exhibitors as well as visitors who have given us a great push in making this second edition of IFEX a mega success. This year we've called around 550 buyers from 115 countries, and people have visited many stalls today and they are really impressed with the quality of the buyers as well as the BSM meeting that is being conducted. One more good brand India promotion has happened yesterday. It was just, I don't know how, but it has happened by way of emotional attachment, what people have received yesterday. The party which we hosted yesterday and the feedback what we have received, some people have really said that they have made India as their second home. So the emotional attachment has come to our country, and this will go a long way in building a brand India promotion and giving a further push to our exports.
IFEX totally has emerged as India's largest pharma show. What are your plans to make it stronger and bigger in the next coming year?
Next year we plan to rope in many companies, big names, as already we have Lupin, we have Glenmark and other companies with us, but there are some missing. So from June onwards, we are going to make it a mission to ensure that all the pharma companies, that is big as well as small, are with us, and we as an industry come together, whereby all the associations like IDMA, IPA, BDMA, we have a joint effort to make this a big success.
Thank you. We have Dr. Appaji with us. Dr. Appaji is the Director General of Farmexcil. Dr. Appaji, please tell us what are the initiatives being taken by Farmexcil for further exports of Indian farm.
Thank you. Farmexcil is born in 2004 with the intention of government to support pharma export growth, and right from then we would see that we are only 10 years child. From 2004 to 2014, we did several activities, several proactive measures with the support of Government of India, Commerce Ministry in particular. The exports from about 17,000 crores in 2004 have now come to near about 85,000 crores by 2014. That itself speaks the growth and the services rendered by Farmexcil in bringing up. Several small and medium companies who were not in a position to meet the overseas buyers, as part of our export promotion, we have been taking them to overseas countries, arranging their meetings with the help of embassies, and subsidizing their tour cost under MA and MDA schemes, telling them about the regulatory procedures, the problems involved, and how to come out of the requirements of approvals. And wherever there are adverse publicities, immediately contacting the embassies and giving clarifications, releasing clarifications in the press in overseas countries, organizing the reverse buyer-seller meets focused to regions like Africa, CIS, ASEAN countries, Latin America, we have been doing. Over and above, we did, with the support of government, with the Commerce Ministry, Brand India Pharma campaign we have taken up, and that we have taken to Japan, Indonesia, and in the CPHA worldwide, we carried extensively good campaign in Madrid and in Frankfurt. We are planning a big way for Brand India to promote exports in Paris for this October. Another initiative we have taken to promote exports is the concept of IFEX. And in addition to the region-wise buyer-seller meetings or FDA meetings we are organizing, this IFEX is a global event where we are inviting, with the support of Government of India, 500 and above overseas delegates, and who are all business people with the support of embassies. And also we are inviting the drug regulators to show what are the capabilities of Indian manufacturing capabilities, pharma capabilities, and also the strength of Indian drug regulatory mechanism. And to ensure to this, we have invited FDA officers and also journalists. They are all here, and this is the second edition of IFEX, where people are now taking the pleasure of meeting about 300 exhibitors. Also, as one of the measures for promotion of exports, Government of India has developed a scheme called International Knowledge Exchange Program. In that, we are identifying 3 or 4 countries and 3 or 4 senior officers of each country, FDA officers, and we are inviting them. We are organizing training, workshops, and where we will tell them about Indian regulatory mechanism. We will take them to senior government officers like Chief of FDA and others, state drug regulators. We will take them to the institutes, pharma institutes like NIPERS and others. We will arrange meetings with industry, top brass, and also we will take them to some good facilities to show our strengths in bulk drug manufacture, formulation manufacture, herbal manufacture, biopharma products. What are all the strengths of Indian pharma we are going to show, and we are expecting our growth will continue. And unfortunately, we could not do better growth. We could not have a better growth last completed financial year. We are very sure with government support and industry dynamism and with the measures we are taking up, the growth for 14-15 would be back to the normal of at least 15% growth in dollar terms. Thank you.
We have Mr. Sudhanshu Pandey with us. Mr. Pandey is the Joint Secretary with the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Sir, please tell us about what initiatives Ministry of Commerce is taking to promote pharma export.
Pharma is a knowledge-based sector which has tremendous depth in India, and we want to share the benefits of the growth of pharma sector in India with the rest of the world, particularly the high quality generics and formulations now that India produces. We are leaders in vaccine production also, and we want that this benefit doesn't remain confined to the frontiers of India alone, but is largely shared with the humanity and with all global citizens.
Sir, IFEX is such a grand success. Your impressions about the event, please.
IFEX is a platform where we try to bring all emerging economies in particular and countries and expose them to the pharma sector, its various dimensions, its scientific base, its expertise and excellence that the sector has achieved in India. We have all major companies participating here. We have parallel sessions of various seminars going on where we are trying to share not only the Indian regulatory system but also how do we achieve harmonization of various regulatory systems in the world to ensure seamless movement of high quality, safe medicines to global citizens. This is a platform where we are sharing our investment experiences also with the potential investment seekers, and our company are willing to share that knowledge, that how and why they succeeded in achieving this glory that the pharma enjoys today in India.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning. From
Good
which
morning.
country are you?
I am from Armenia.
Oh, so what are your impressions about IFEX 2014?
You know, actually, IPEX for the 2014 is a very well event, very good organized event. We met with little people here, pharmaceutical manufacturers, Indian manufacturers, from all over the world manufacturers, and I think during these three events we will have very good negotiations. And from Armenia we are around 15 companies, and each of our companies during this 1 day and a half has already around 50 business-to-business meetings. I think it's a very huge amount for meetings, and I hope that we will have a very good results until we will go from this country. It's a very nice country. We like Indian. Thank you for everything. Thank you for organizing such a big event, and hope we will have a fruitful cooperation in the future. Thank you.
Sure. Good Thank you morning. so much.
Morning.
From which country are you?
I have been origin from India, but I have been living in Vietnam.
So what are your views about IFEX 2014?
It's very well organized, and it's really a good opportunity to interact with so many manufacturers of India, and that help us to know many good thing about the new drug delivery system or the new drugs which the India has been doing and developing it.
Thank you so much.